Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to learn what is backdrop in Scratch software. As you can see on this cover art, on this thumbnail, we have some kind of image again of some kind of room on our screen, so we can say it's an image again. And we have learned before that image is called a sprite in Scratch. So can we say this is image, this is sprite? Yes, but in some way. Why in some way? We will see that in action soon, because as you can see I have it already posted on my screen. The whole idea here is that backdrops are used to show something which is in background on your screen, and it is by default not so interactive, not interactive at all, to be precise, by default, but later you can add some interaction and some activity by code and by some tricks which we will learn later. But by default you want to use backdrop as a background, and I will use that word background, and I have used it probably in some of my previous Scratch tutorials, background instead of backdrop, so I apologize for that, but that's the word which is used mostly in not only game development but also in creation of graphic art in general, comics, illustration and so on. So you will hear the term the background a lot, and it works the same. That is something which is not in front, in first position, in primary scope, something which is most important to you, but something like which is in distance. And mostly backgrounds are some kind of nature backgrounds, like mountains, forests and stuff like that, which is only there to show you environment where this action is happening, but the action, the point is on character here, cat, or it can be something else of course in your game, and how this cat is doing something, like he is moving, he is doing some kind of actions, fighting, creating, destroying and so on, but the background is there only as an environment. I have used this background of room with lots of those elements just to make it clear in terms of we have a table, we have a lamp, we have some kind of sound speakers, bed with a pillow, some stuff on the walls, window and so on and so on. So many elements on it. But what is the catch? The catch is when I click on it on my screen here, which is called stage, I cannot interact with them. I click on speakers, nothing happens, lamp, window, table, chair. So this is all like some kind of background, some kind of non-interactive image. And if I click on cat, yeah, I can move it, I can move its location. I can see here I have the sprite for it, so I can add code to it, but I cannot add code to the lamp, to the bed, to the table and so on. That's it for this video, and you can check the stage or what is on your stage, what kind of backdrop, by clicking on here on this column which says stage. So instead of clicking on sprite here, which will activate the sprite so I can do whatever I want with it, when I click on the stage I can add code and some kind of changes which we are not going to do today, but just to make it clear. Backdrops can also be coded as a part of the stage, but again the whole idea here is that you understand that they are only there to serve the storyline as some kind of background, not so important as the characters and not so interactive, only as some kind of scenery like in theater and so on. That's it for this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.